Good morning. Right, working on location. Hedgehog country, as you might say. Right, so I'm making the tunnel first. You've got to have the shiny bit, the waterproof side on the outside. It's usually got the print on. If it ain't got the print on, you can feel it smoother. It's smooth, so let's just clamp it together. I've only put 4 screws in. Totally up to you if you want to put the next one in the middle. Okay, so that's the tunnel done. Right, I'm just going to build the box area now, where they're going to hibernate hopefully. Shiny side on the outside. And there you go. That's the box made. Okay, so we're just going to make an hole now for this tunnel. So yeah, it's the right way. So you just put it against there like that. Simpler. Get your pencil. Mark it. Mark it. There we go. Pencil down. It's not too much there. Alright, just need to get the jigsaw now, saw that line out. Me being me, totally organised, it's not set up, so it'll be about 1 minute. Okay, so I've got my dust mask on, got my protective goggles on. Right. There you go. Right. While I'm here, the base up. go. Right, got a couple more bits to do now. I'm going to saw this level, as you can see. I don't suppose hedgehogs would make any fuss about it, but I'm going to saw it level anyway for neatness. And I've got to put some runners underneath, so it just lifts it off the ground a bit. So I will quickly saw this. As good as you're going to get it from me anyway. There you go, it's the tunnel done. Okay, this is this stage, right, just mark it off there. You're going to want 3 of these, so just put the first one on. Make sure they're going straight. Battery, I think. There you go. Some free on. Okay, so I've screwed the sort of like the runners onto the base. That keeps it off the ground. I've got the tunnel made, and that'll fit like that. And for the lid, what I do when I don't do a felt roof, I'll just place the lid on top. I'll put a couple of small screws in just to hold it firm. Once I've filled it with straw, put the tunnel in place, and I'll put polythene over the whole lot, sheet it down, which will protect it from the weather. So I'll show you how we go about doing that in another video.